What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory. Safety is #1 priority and today we're gonna do instant snow. This is a really cool experiment. All you're gonna need is instant snow, which is polymer. This is a super absorber. Pretty much if you spill water, if you pour on it, it will absorb all the water and it will look like a white snow. All we're gonna need is polymer, empty glass of water and room temperature water. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna put a little bit. There's a lot left. Let's might as well put a lot, like this much, and then we're gonna pour water, our room temperature water. Put this away, and let's see what happens. Fill it up all the way to the top. See what happens. Check this guys out. Isn't that pretty cool? It's just rising. What's up with this guys? Check it out. This is a really cool experiment. I think I put a little bit too much of polymer. It's just like too much pressure up in there, I guess. Let's see what happens. Is it just gonna pop? Doesn't look like snow. Straight up. Feels good too. Wow, this is cool stuff, yo. This feels so awesome. Comment below what do you think. Look how much it is. And you see there's no more water. It's absorbed full glass of water. That's pretty awesome. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna put a little bit of polymer, like this much, you see? Just a little bit. You see how little it is? And then I got a water. Look how much it is. I'm gonna pour the whole thing into it. Not the whole thing, but quite a lot. Let's see. Yeah, pretty much the whole thing. Let's see what happens. It just sticks. Check it out. Where's the water? What do you guys think? Straight up. This is cool stuff. If you have kids guys, they would love to play with this. This does feel like snow, and if you use that kind of coldish water, it feels a little cold too. Tell me in comments, what do they use super absorber polymer for besides diapers? Well, they have a little small amount in the diapers, because if you put a lot, this thing will explode with the poop and whatever. So, but what else would you use it for? Comment below if you know any other ways to use the polymer super absorber. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and this is awesome. Peace out.